Hi, welcome to a brief PerkinElmer video to help you get the most of your NexION 5000 ICP-MS. I'm Aaron Heineman. This video will demonstrate cleaning the cones of the NexION 5000 ICP-MS. To clean the cones, they first must be removed from the instrument. Please view the video for cone access and removal to see how to remove them from the instrument. Powder-free gloves should also be worn when handling the cones. For light deposits and routine maintenance, the cones can be cleaned by rinsing them well with deionized water and carefully cleaning around the cone orifice with a lint-free wipe or cotton tip swab. Note that it is key that you avoid damaging the cone orifices. Sometimes I may use approximately 0.2% nitric acid, and this will help loosen up some of the debris. In addition, if there is carbon buildup, an alcohol like isopropyl alcohol or methanol can be used. And then always rinse the cones thoroughly after cleaning with deionized water. However, if the deposits are more significant and this cannot be removed in this manner, sonication is typically used. To perform this cleaning task, you will need small beakers, deionized water, an ultrasonic bath, and a 0.2% nitric acid solution. First, find a beaker for each of the cones, such that the cone can sit on top of the beaker with the orifice pointing down, and it will not fall off the top of whatever you're putting it on, and the point will not touch the bottom of the beaker. The skimmer cone point must face down, as trapped air might damage the orifice of the cone in the ultrasonic bath. So place each of the cones in the beaker with the tips pointed down. Now, fill the beakers with acid solution and then place them in the ultrasonic bath. Ensure that the bath is filled as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Sonicate the cones for 5 minutes and then remove the cones from the ultrasonic bath and rinse them immediately with deionized water. Now, blow the cones dry with a dry compressed gas or allow them to completely dry in the air. I typically allow them to dry overnight. Note that these practices can be modified for clean room situations, as there are contamination precautions that must be taken. Refer to the maintenance guide for more information. When the cones are completely dry, they are ready for reassembly and installation in the NexION instrument. Please refer to the video that covers cone installation to see how to install the cones into the instrument. Your instrument manual and these how-to videos are great resources to help get you familiar with your NexION ICP-MS. For more information on how to properly maintain and use your NexION system, sign up for one of our training courses or contact your local PerkinElmer representative for additional options.